right on a windy day, this what y'all do. You see that cardboard right under there? You gonna make you a windy day sandwich. You got that some your bread under there, which is your cardboard. You got your charcoal. You got your some more bread, which is some more cardboard, and throw some charcoal on top. You put this down like this, give it some room, and you get the light. See that? That's one match right there. Now I didn't try to use 50 before I did this, but now I put one match there. I laid it right on top of that cardboard. Let's see what it do, y'all. Who's night grilling? We night grilling. Who's night grilling? We night grilling. Who's night grilling? We night grilling. Ooh, ooh. Night grilling.